Okay, I'm going to do a bike check in a second. First of all, I just want to say I snapped my axle the weekend doing a Smith, but it's been over a year since I started running it, so I just thought I'd say it. You probably know anyway if you're on Facebook or if you're one of my friends. Alright. Okay, first of all, my frame is a United Mothership, 21 inch in gloss red, and then my bars, Mutiny Glam bars, come down to 26 and a half. Just put the focus on. And I've only had them since the weekend though. And then my grips are Edwin De La Rosa grips. The animal ones, they're holding up actually really well, apart from a rip which I have there, but I've had them on for ages, so I think any grip would rip after a while, to be honest. Then I have a Haro stock stem with a Van sticker on it. It's a really good stem for stock, to be honest. Doesn't slip or anything like that. I have a Odyssey integrated headset with a carbon spacer. I have Haro stock forks. The forum ones, they're actually holding up really well, apart from the dropper. It's bent a bit, but it's not really affecting me. I'm just hoping it'll stay alright for a while longer. Okay, the front wheel, this is one that Tom lent me, which I'll have on till I can afford a new one. It's the same wheel that I had before, but a different colour obviously, and the rim was green but I sprayed it black earlier on, so thanks to that I'll link his channel around here now. And then the front tyre is a FitFaf 2.3 Kevlar, and you will have just seen then this rip, well, this hole, which is starting to come up, but that's about the only damage on it. I think there might be another hole around here. Yeah, there's another there. That's it, and it's been on for ages, so I'll have that until I can afford a new one. Should be a couple of weeks. So I'll go further to the back now. Okay, I have DMR V12 pedals, which really, oh, my dog's here. Well, I'd say they're really good, to be honest. Well, I don't know what anyone else would think. They're really grippy, but this one needs re-greasing, I think. Just makes a bit of a dodgy noise. And I have Haro cranks, stolen class sprocket, a YBN chain. It's snapped a few times. I've got a white link there where it snapped, but unless I'm doing something like hard, then it doesn't snap. So if you've only got enough money to get that, then I'd recommend getting it. It's not really, it's strong enough. Then I have a Mongoose seat with a Haro seat post, just railed. I'm not really bothered. And then I put a 6mm bolt in, because it came with a 5. That's a rain dog. I have a stock Haro hub with Mutiny double butted spokes and a Alienation black sheet rim with scattered stickers all the way around. it's okay apart from the spokes. I wouldn't really recommend getting, because as you'll see I'm missing like 3 because they just snap so easily. Where's the other one? There's another one around there missing. They snap really easily, so I wouldn't get them. They're nice, but if you ride hard, then it's not worth it. And then this is a Primo eComet tyre, which I've not had for long, but so far so good. It's really nice. I'll just flip my wheel around a bit. Got my Panda in. Don't ride him. And then I have Shadow little one pegs, the old ones, and what else have I missed? Oh yeah, Animal bottom bracket, plastic one. I think that's about it. This is my bike. Rate, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. Thank you.